Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access display and brightness. After that, click on this gray sweater next to auto brightness to enable it. You can disable it by tapping on the same, now blue one. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu instead and manage adaptive brightness thanks to this little icon next to brightness slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!